Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Nana Culture. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a continuation of our previous tutorial videos. So in our previous video, I taught you guys how to dance Igbo cultural dance, the Enugu dance step, using 1, 2, or 3 method. The first method was the one that I told you guys that with you squatting and doing your feet like this, then your back going in and out, you'll be able to do that style. For instance, then the second one, I taught you guys that you have to raise your feet, then your feet and your leg swinging like this, going in and out. You'll be able to do it twice, and then you squatting just like this. Then the other one, I taught you guys that you have to do you have to move your feet to the left, to the right, to the left, and to the right while doing the dance, just like this. You did see it. So in today's video, we are going to use these steps to do this tutorial. What do I mean? Having known that you have to squat, raise your feet, then move either to the left, to the right, or swing your feet front and back, you're able to use it this time to walk. Maybe you need to move. Not that you will be doing this particular dance step in a particular position. This time around, we want to do a lesson on how we can move with it, not in a particular position. So just like this. Now I'm squatting, and then my feet are up. Then I want to do this dance moving, like I want to move like 5 steps forward. How do I do it? So while you are bending like this, instead of going left and right, you move it to the front, just like this. You see it? I'm doing like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and I'm coming forward with it. So let me do it again. You know, I told you, and I'll repeat myself, that there is no rule guiding the hands. While you are doing these things, you can move your hands any way you want to move it. You can keep it still like this, or you can move it back and front, or you can move it sideways, or just wave it. It's up to you. So let me do this dance again. So let me do this practice again, moving my hands to whatever direction I would like to move it. So let's go. Let me go with 1, 2, 3, 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what I'm doing. I am doing this thing. I'm moving my hand like this, like taking it in and bringing it out. Then I'm going forward. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So with this, you're able to dance the Igbo cultural dance step, Enugu style, without stress, and you're able to do it moving forward and not being in one position. Okay, so try this practice, do this practice, and tell me if you were able to get it in the comment section. See you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Until next time, guys. Bye.